It's Artie. Hello there. Hello, Holkenshop. Hello there. Sorry, my crush, the floor. It's really how I am, but it's really true. Oh, I remember now. Yes, you're in my comics, in my segments. Yes, I remember you in my I when you were when we were watching the Kabla movie, you were right beside me. Well, hello there. Hello, Horsey. Hello there, Sneeze. Hello there, Horsey. Hello. Hello, Horsey. Hello. 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 Hello there. Hello. Yes. What is it supposed to be? Just the way she don't take crap. That's annoying SpongeBob and that trick. You better get me everybody. Hey guys! Hello? Hello? Yes, well, it's been a long time since I met your friend. Hello, it's been so long since I have met you, Miss Button. Since really been a long time since I met you, Ipa. Yes. Yeah, it's me, yes. Hello, guys. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Ah, Siri. Sorry, it was the stinky, binky, thinky girl over there. No! Hello, Charles Douglas. Hello there. No! Hello, it's been so long since I have met you. Hello, Flanagan. Flanagan, Flanagan. Hello, Leslie Pearson. Hello, Charles. Doug, actually. Hello. Hello there. Hello there. Hello there. Hello, Chin Chang Chong. Ching Chong Ching. Hello, it's been so long since I have met you. No. Hello. Hello, it's been so long. Hello, it's been so long since I have met you. Yes, we have met you ever since 1998. Yes, it's been so long, friend. Hello, Mr. Horse. You really remember me? Yeah. Yes, really remember you. Yeah, I really remember you with your good old days with us. With us. Yeah, I remember you, Douglas. Yes. Yeah, I remember you. Yeah, Mr. Charles Douglas. Yeah, it's been so long. So long. Yes, it's been so long since I have met you. Yes, yeah. It's been so long. I have missed you. I have missed you. Yes. Do you want myself? Hello. I wanna transform my back to my real form. Hello, Atlas. I have turned into my real form. That I really remembered you. Yes. Yes, I really remember you. Ah, it's been so long there. Yeah, I really remember you. Yes, I really remember you. Yes, with my good old days when I used to mukbang with you. That we went to like we were in like a branch in Sulu in that we were on Sulu that I met you in McDonald's. I remember you when you were a big fan of me. Yes, I remember you watching my favorite show. Stop doing this to my friends! Yes, it's making us more sad. I don't. I'm gonna use the hammer to kill you. Stop doing. Jarvis, what is it? We're gonna use that. Here, I'm gonna throw my. I'll, I will use my shield to slice your head. Stop! No! What you get? Yeah, what is this? It's not funny. You're fake hearts. I, I did not mean it. Hello, Lisa. There. Hello there. Hello. If you recognize it's a Jonesy. Hello. What is that? Squeaks. Yes, it is squeaking. This bird. Yes, it is. Hello, hello, Leslie and Maria. Hello, 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 dear. Hello, dear. Hello there. Hello. Yes. Hello. Hello there. Hello, Chelsea. Hello, Yes. Yes. The storm. Yes, I want that. Yay! 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 Yes! Yes! I want that. Yes! Yes, I want that. Yes! 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 Yay! Yes! Right! Right! Police car! Right! The